Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to defrost the freezer in a Whirlpool fridge. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have the same circumstances in me, in which, number one, you have water being dispensed from your left side of the fridge. So water is being dispensed. However, the left side also, it seems that you have an ice maker which isn't producing ice. So in order to defrost the left side of your freezer on a Whirlpool fridge, the first thing that you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to go ahead and press these two buttons here and hold it down till you see the countdown to 1. And now diagnostic mode is going to appear. You're going to click on the down arrow over here until you hit number 38. And then you're going to click on, you can see where it says DF, which stands for defrost. We're going to go ahead and click on select zone, and we're going to go ahead and set it to a long defrost. Afterwards, we're going to click on these two buttons again, just to go ahead and start the countdown. And so with that, what we've done is that we've gone ahead and set a long defrost, which is going to happen once every 6 hours. And then there's a couple of things to note. The first thing is that when the defrost actually starts to happen, you can keep all your food in the freezer. It's not like your freezer food is going to melt. It should be perfectly just fine. The next thing to note is that the right side of your fridge, the non-freezer portion, it's going to remain unaffected, so it's going to function as normal, so you don't have to worry about anything happening to the right side of your fridge. But that's pretty much it though, as far as how to defrost the freezer on your Whirlpool fridge. And this is going to become especially handy when it comes to fixing your freezer just because of a frozen pipe that might be happening with the ice maker and it's still producing water. Try this out for yourself and let me know if that ends up working. But thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually fix this, let me know down in the comments below. I'll see you guys all in the next video.